Hello viewers, welcome once again. Today I'm going to teach you how you can connect your phone to Honda CRV 2022 model device. How you can connect your phone Bluetooth to the car Android device. It is so simple. As you are seeing the apps being displayed, you can see that they've written navigation, phone, settings, smartphone connection, audio, info, Honda link, app list. Because you want to connect your phone Bluetooth to the car Bluetooth in order to have access from the phone to the car, you quickly click on the phone. So when you click on the phone, it'll come like this. I say no phone is connected. Would you like to select a phone to connect? Then you click yes. All right, there are phones that have been connected already. You are now coming to connect yours, so you will make sure that your phone Bluetooth is on. So this is my phone. I can see the Bluetooth is already on, so I will click here. It's searching. Then I come to the car Android device and click on the add Bluetooth device. Click on that. So it is searching. All right, then you click on the continue. So it is searching. My phone name is Teresa's S20, so it is now found on the screen. Then I click on the Teresa's S20. The moment you click on that, you get a notification on your phone. Then you click pair. So work done. You can see the top of my phone being written connected for calls and audio. So now anything I do on my phone will appear on the Android device of the Honda CRV 2022. It is so simple.